Welcome back. It's Daniel Parsons. It's the 7th of November, 2023. And I'm getting advertisements in from big companies that are already starting their holiday promotions. I want to share with you, I am a Prife International Independent Business Owner, and I have some bonus inventory that I have, and I want to be able to give you a little bit of a holiday bonus and blessing. So I am an independent business owner for Prife International. I'm not one of their stockists. I am not an employee of Prife. I just have plenty of inventory and I only have so much room. And when I came in, the company had a promotion where you were able to buy the classic iTeraCare device, and for just $50 more, they gave me the negative ion pendant. And so what I have is I have 2 beige negative ion pendants, and I will, if you buy 1 iTeraCare Classic at the regular USA price, and I can only offer this promotion in the United States. I've got a promotion for Canada, and I'll get to that in just a minute. So you buy $385, it's $380 for 1 Prife, the new 2.1 model, which has a cool setting on it of the classic blower. And then I will, out of my own inventory, offer you for $50 in the US. Now you need to call me Pacific Time Zone weekdays 360-383-0265. And what I'm offering is one of the 7 Wonders water bottles or the negative ion pendant while supplies last. I only have 2 of the beige negative ion pendants. So I gave you the color. So where would you, you have to call me, because then I can, we can discuss terms and how to do a payment. You can also buy on my website. However, if you go on my website and buy, I'm going to need you to make arrangements for that extra $50. So we'll work it out. I take checks in the mail. I'm licensed in the state of Washington, Daniel Parsons Ministry for many years in Olympia, Washington. So the last thing is Canada. Health Canada, Open Canada back up. So right now in Canada, the buy one, get one bonus is it's only $125 to get your second iTeraCare Classic device. So in Canada, it's $385 plus that $125. So I can definitely do that for you and put you into the Prife business. All customers have an account with Prife unless you buy out of my inventory. So that's why most people that call me, they don't want to be in the business. They just want the device. So if you do want to be in the business, let me know in the conversation. So that's the update. And that Canada extension, it's valid through the 14th Malaysia time. So in the USA, we need you to have that in Canada by the 13th, which today is the 7th of November. So the 13th, that would be next Monday. We need you to have that in. So it's exciting times here at Prife International. I'm happy to be able to do this for you while supplies last. And so I gave you my phone number. I'll repeat it one more time. Pacific Time Zone weekdays, Daniel, 360-383-0265. And so International, they have their own promotions for time to time. So you can write me on Telegram. My name on Telegram is my handle. And please don't pitch me crypto. I mean, I get hammered by people pitching me get rich quick in crypto. Please go bother somebody else. Bye for now.